Hey guys, good day. Just wanted to go over the hedging strategy for UJ. Here we are, lots of good RRs on this stuff. It's pretty crazy. So my only analysis that's been done starting out December 11th and going to January today, the 11th. So yeah, that's where we are right now. This dotted orange line, that's the opening price for the start of the session. So yeah, here's the start here. My mouse cursor and the first hour, second hour, third hour. Tokyo opens right here on this green line, and New York ends right here at the start of the session. So you got a 2-hour window from there to the start of Tokyo opening. So all the stop losses are the same. They're about 90. What is that? Is that points? 90 points. So yeah, all the stop losses are the same. We set our hedge position right at the very start there, the first second of the start of the session, or the last session when it ends, last second of the session when it ends. So yeah, if you did that, you would have got a 5.5 R closing right here. Oh, actually, no, this would have been a stop out. Yeah, because you would have got stopped out here. This one here is a 1.7, so that's good. And then with this strategy, you just enter if you get stopped out. So yeah, you got stopped out here. You could have re-entered any time in here, or entered right when Tokyo started. And then I got it marked down here for an entry. So this one ran pretty far. This one here is a 15R, and then it finished up. I must have got moved there actually. So yeah, there's a 12R. And the next day, same thing, you enter it at the start of the session. Ran down to 12R about. Yeah, more or less. And here's another example. So yeah, some of these are a little bit off because I've been adjusting the strategy a bit. But yeah, there's a 2R. This one got stopped out. Maybe you re-entered here when Tokyo opened for 7.5R, and then the other one's stop out. It's usually how it works, right? With this strategy anyhow. So another great example. Big drop there. Same thing here. Hedge right at the start of the session. R16, more or less. Same thing. So yeah, you take off this loss on your 7, so you end up with a 6R. Beauty, and it just goes on. But yeah, go and do some back testing. Check it out for yourselves, guys. It's a 9R. It's a 5R down here. And if you do get stopped out this early, you know, it's like an hour, right when Tokyo's right here about, and you can re-enter because it usually swings around, then you get another move after. So 2R gets stopped out up here, and yeah, enter after Tokyo, 9R. Like, how crazy is that, right? 9R, 15R, stop loss is the same. I'll do a little measurement tool here. 9. 9, that's 9 pips, 90 points. I forget how that works. But anyhow, that's what it is. Another example here. Small win. Tokyo, reversal around Tokyo. Maybe you entered here, there's a 3R. Maybe you entered earlier for something much better. But yeah, go and do some back testing, guys. Five R. 12R. Excuse me. D. What's this? This is something. Yeah. Not sure what I was doing there. That one's must have been something else I was doing. So stop out, one stop out. There's a 2R. Re-enter before Tokyo starts. Would have got you a good move, or at Tokyo would have got you another good move. 5R. This one is a double stop out. Yep, 2 lines, double stop out. And there's a 1 out, 1R. So that's not a very good move here. You would have got, what, 4? Depending on what you had set up, it's not very good. And then there's a 3R. Maybe you caught this one and you caught this runner going up. I find that if you get stopped out a lot on these first 3 hours, then there's a big move after. This one's really close. But yeah, huge move after. It's a 4R. And then the pivot in the opposite direction. Just a huge move after. But it all originates from the first 4 hours. I find that pretty amazing. It's the 8R. Or more. Oh yeah, I didn't count all the way up there. So double that about. 3R. Reversal. Yeah, it's so crazy. After you get stopped out on that first initial move, then it reverses. Really interesting. Silver bullet hour. 7R. Reversal. Quite a ways farther. Well, I guess you could call that a reversal even. So 1 point. I call it a 1.5 maybe. 5R reversal. Oh, it just keeps going. So that's another big move. And here we are today. Here's a move that I took on my demo account. Just started the strategy today. I didn't even get in here early. I woke up late. Got in here. Got stopped out once there, twice. And just seeing where it's going to go on the demo account. So yeah, pretty interesting stuff. So let me know what you guys think. All right, peace.